How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I'm going to be just quickly sharing with you guys the Hostinger coupon codes that I have for you. And of course, if you go to the website itself without any coupon code or promo deals or discount codes, this is the best that you're going to be getting. You're going to be getting the $2.99 per month plan for all these plans. You're going to be getting the $2.99 per month pricing for all these plans. But if you guys were to use the link in the description below, you guys can end up saving some more money as well. So over here on the left side, this is what you guys are going to be getting if you guys were to use the coupon code in the description below, and you will be able to save, of course, more money. Because over here, let's say you were to buy this particular plan, you can end up saving about 20 cents per month, and of course in the long run you can end up saving a lot more money. Over here up top, you guys can see that you guys are going to be saving more money. So guys, be sure to check out the link in the description below, and you will be able to save yourself more money. And this Hostinger coupon code is going to work regardless of when you guys are watching this video, so make sure to check the link down in the description below, and you will be able to, of course, get this discount for yourself as well. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.